Senapse, smart fluid management for your dealership. Bulk tank level monitors. Smart meter oil handles. And the network transmitter base make up the Senapse fluid management system. The wireless design is clean and can be managed from any device. Let's take it for a spin, shall we? After logging in, navigating your Senapse system is straightforward. You see all the components. Click on Monitors, Transmitter, Products, Technicians, Handles, or Locations. Once set up, most of your time will be spent here. By default, you will see the latest dispense made. Check the box once you invoice the customer to keep your systems up to date. Or look for historical trends. Perhaps export your data for additional analysis. Inventory levels can also be managed according to the product or tank. You can even set up custom alerts to notify you when specific thresholds are met. Schedule a fill when you reach 30% capacity. And don't be caught off guard by empty tanks when it's too late to take action. Authorizing new technicians is as easy as assigning them a 4-digit PIN. Cycle the power on the handle and you're all set. And of course, make sure every dispense is billed to the customer by setting up your dispense notifications. And there you have it. Using Senapse tank level sensors and smart meter handles, managing your service department's oil dispenses and bulk inventory has never been easier or more efficient. Using technology to work smarter, not harder, will make your dealership more profitable. Order your Senapse system today. Visit our customer content resource section in the bulk oil booth for more information and to download Senapse brochures.